Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix League of Legends tutorial stuck patching buttons not working. If you're trying to jump into the latest season of League of Legends in here, but getting blocked by that frustrating bug where the patching or tutorial buttons are unresponsive, don't worry, you are not alone. And here I'm going to show you the solution to bypass this common patching error. So what you need to do is just here on your Windows, you can just right click and open the task manager. And in here, just find the League of Legends from this list. And after that, you can just right click on it and choose to end the task. And the next steps is find the Riot Client options, this one. This is the related to the League of Legends, of course. You can just right click on it and do the same steps. Click on add task in here. And after that, after all of the tasks ended of the League of Legends and also the Riot Client, you can just close the task manager and try to reopen the League of Legends again. So I hope that this will fix your problem. That's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.